Hello guys, welcome back with me, Civitai 2025. Today, we are continuing our deep dive into Wan 2.2 Animate. This video is a direct follow-up to my last one, so if you're new to the basics of how Wan Animate works, make sure to go back and watch that first so you can follow along with today's setup. In this video, we're addressing a major hurdle, quality degradation in long-form videos. When using Wan Animate for longer sequences, the quality tends to drop with every iteration. As the frame window moves, the details start to smear or break down. Here is an example. Notice how by the end of the video, the result becomes almost unusable compared to the start. The good news? There's a way to handle this. Open our last workflow. In the Wan Video Animate Embeds node, make sure your frame window size value is the same as your total number of frames. From the Wan Video Sampler, drag out the context options and select Wan Video Context Options. Use static standard, with context frame set to 81 and context overlap at 32. While 16 can sometimes work, using 32 ensures that each iteration stitches together perfectly without visible jumps. Now, we could just run this as is, but since we've already generated the pose and face data, there's no need to waste time or VRAM recalculating them. Simply load your previously saved pose and face videos and connect them to their respective set nodes. Then, you can bypass the MimicMotion and Wan Animate preprocess nodes, as well as their model loaders. This significantly increases your generation speed and saves precious VRAM. I highly recommend finalizing your face and pose first, because running context options is much heavier on your system and increases the risk of out-of-memory errors. I will be uploading 2 workflows for you guys, one for those who want to use the full preprocess tools, and one optimized for loading existing pose and face files. Let's look at the results. As you can see, the output is now completely stable. In this side-by-side comparison between the regular method and using context options, the long video on the right maintains its crisp quality from the first frame to the very last. That's how you master long-form animations in Wan 2.2. If this helped you fix your blurry outputs, please give the video a like and subscribe for more AI workflow tips. Check the description for the workflow links and let me know in the comments how your long generations are turning out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.